Okay, so today I'm sharing a caramel macchiato 3 ways. I just started making these like 2 weeks ago, and they're way good. The first one that I'm making is the iced caramel macchiato, and then I will make a like hot caramel macchiato, and then I'm making like a healthier version of an iced caramel macchiato. First one, definitely not healthy, but my favorite by far. So you will need coffee, milk, caramel, and ice, and a cup. That's it. That's all you need. So what I do first is I put just a little bit at the bottom, like kind of just cover the bottom. I don't even know if that was helpful, showing you that. And then fill like 3, maybe halfway. And then you take a straw and like really mix that stuff around. And if the milk's like not turning a little bit darker, you can add a little more caramel. Mine looks fine. And then, okay, you add ice to your cup, to the milk. So it looks like that. Oops, lots happening. And then I take 2 espresso shots to add on top. And there you go. And then you can add a little caramel on top. And you are set. Okay, this is like the 4th time I've started this. I'm making the hot caramel macchiato now. Dustin likes them hot, I like them iced. So what I'm doing first is, shut up. What I'm doing first is I'm going to do 2 shots of espresso in this mug, and I put milk in this frother, and I'm putting a little caramel. I really don't know if that's what's allowed, but that's what I'm doing. It's essentially the same like stirring situation that I do for the iced coffee. So I'm gonna do this, and then when it's time to combine, I will start recording. So that just got done, and I forgot to mention that I did put a little bit of caramel just covering the bottom of this before I started, just so that it could kind of like melt into it. So this frothed it, which I don't know if that's necessarily what a caramel macchiato is, but that's like the only way I can get the milk hot, because you know. So I'm gonna pour this in here. And I actually put more milk in this than, I don't know if you can see in there, but it says cappuccino and latte. And I filled it up over the latte mark. So then, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna take caramel and drizzle it on top like that. And then it is all set for you to drink. Then for the healthy version of this, I'm gonna take this caramel skinny syrup. I get it on Amazon. I use this in my like morning regular coffee every day. Instead of creamer, I just use this in milk. So I'm going to pour just like a little bit. Little goes a long way. Into the bottom. And then milk. If you have almond milk, you could use almond milk. We don't. We just barely got regular milk yesterday. Because, yeah, anyways. So you can use almond milk or regular milk. Probably should use a little bit more of that. And then you will stir it again. And then let me go grab ice real quick. Okay, so I put ice in it, and now I will just add the espresso. And that's kind of like the same effect. The only thing that's different is there's no like pretty drizzly caramel on it, but it tastes the same as the other one, just a little bit healthier. And yeah. And then you might also want to gauge, like, I would rather have less than more of this, and then so like taste it, and then if you want to add a little bit more of this, then go ahead and do that, but don't add it at the beginning. Like, just gauge it as you go. Okay, so for the hot ice caramel macchiato, is this real life right now? Ay, ay, ay. And then for the healthier version of this, I'm going to use this skinny syrup caramel syrup situation. And I'm going to fill the bottom like I did before. Ooh, that was too much. That was too much.